Once you log into Jam, it will take you to your home page. If you want to join a group that you're not a part of, to see the groups that you're a member of, simply click on the groups drop down and you can see all the groups that you're part of. If for some reason the name of the group does not show up in this list, then you can simply come up to the search box up here and you can type in the name of the group. In this case, I'm going to search for PLM. It's going to give you a drop down. Over to the left, you're going to see a thumbnail. In this case, the people icon, that represents PLM Regional Call. That's an actual group. These are calendar entries. These are documents. So in this case, I'm going to click on PLM Regional Call. In this case, I'm already a member of the group. If I wasn't a member of the group, it would give me the opportunity to actually join the group. At that time, it would take me directly to this main landing page and would automatically add me. In this case, it's a public group, so anyone can see it and actually join the group. You can also invite other people to the group, so any member of the group, including the admin, can invite others to the group, and that will send out a notification via email. We'll also send a notification within Jam to that person that can accept that invite and automatically join the group. So hopefully that helps in terms of searching for a group. Thanks.